welcome to Drive with Care. In this video we're going to take the back road from Lydden all the way to Whitfield because I'm going shopping. So here's the map, this is the route. There seems to be quite a bit of congestion on the A2 at the moment, but I'm going to turn right just in a minute once these lights change. So the kind of things that we're expecting is, because it's Sunday drivers, people are out for their leisurely drives, they're doing their little bits of shopping. Oh, there's been an accident. Great! A little bit of a hazard going on here. So the traffic's being controlled by the police and we're being filtered between the two crashed cars. Maybe the truck got involved. Oh, there's a passenger hobbling out. Not a good thing. I do hope that they're all right yet. Car's completely scratched. Took a hit from the truck. Indicate right. We want this right-hand lane to filter down to Lydden. Yeah, you've got to have your wits about you with all the other traffic. Do not drive with blinkers on. You've always got to be thinking for others. Lights are green, my right of way. So the 3 golden rules for driving are, there's a car in front with a sticker on its back and it says, "I'm going to stop, can you?" There's an invisible car behind us and the invisible driver is watching for our signals. And the final rule, of course, everybody on the road, including pedestrians, is mentally deficient. So it's all up to you. And what does that mean? We've got to be thinking of the others. What are their intentions as well as ours, and letting them know. So we'll drive through Lydden. We potentially can see some cyclists because cyclists come out on Sunday. There'll be motorcyclists and just other road users. You'll get your triangles and circles. We'll see what we can find. Road narrows ahead. Dual carriageway becomes single carriageway. The sign tells me it's both directions on a single carriageway. I'm doing 50. There's a tractor. Potential of someone trying to overtake. Car coming out of junction, far enough away. Doesn't affect me. Coming into a 30 zone. This is the village of Lydden. So reduce speed now to 30. The Lydden Bell and the village hall. Moped user ahead. As long as he doesn't do a wheelie, all will be well. Cars on either side, so plenty of scope for giving way here. I see a woman with a dog. Mopeds indicating right. Blind bend. Yeah, all clear ahead. Back up to 30. Summit of a hill. Can't see what's coming ahead of me, so anticipate something in the road. And it's all clear. Cars to the left. Classic car alert. Morris Minor Traveller. Very nice. I'm having to drive on the chevrons. Don't like doing that. Pull myself back in to pass out. Nothing behind me, so I'm not indicating. Still doing 30. Yeah, driving through a village has its own hazards with these tight bends. There's a cyclist. I mentioned there'd be cyclists. Yeah, with tight bends, cars parked on either side, you can't go racing through a village. There's another cyclist. Entering into a national speed limit zone. Potential for doing 60 here. I'll get myself up to 40. I think that is fair enough speed. signs tell me bends in the road, a height maximum of 4.6 or 15 foot 3 inches. So there's a low bridge ahead. Chevrons. Be aware of big vehicles in the middle of the road when you see a bridge like this on a Z bend. Obviously a train track can't turn, but the roads can. So the road bends under the rail track. Pedestrian crossing the road. Electric scooter on the footpath. My car's warning me. It's clever like that. Chap doing the litter picking. What are you going to be doing on this fine Sunday sunny afternoon? Barbecue perhaps? Dog walkers on the footpath. Right, cars on my side into Temple Ewell. I'm going to give way to oncoming traffic. I shall indicate out just in case anybody approaching wonders why I'm in the middle of the road. Past these parked cars, there's a car coming, slides onto his side, I'll get onto my side. So it's a blind section. There's a fire engine, let's give them plenty of room. I think they're off to that accident we saw back there. Car. Crossroads, anything could happen here, but there's no traffic, so that's good. Dog walker on the other side. Junction, nothing coming out. So I'm doing 30, I think that's permitted. A couple of tight bends. Very tight junction ahead that goes down to Oldcombe. See my other video up there. Zebra crossing, nobody waiting. Cars parked on my side, but plenty of room for 2 vehicles on either side. No pedestrians in sight. Coming up to a roundabout. I want to go left on this roundabout, so I will be indicating. I'm going to leave enough room in case the car in front starts going backwards. So, where are these cars going? The Volvo ahead is going left, but he's not indicating, so car's coming down the hill. Don't know what he's doing. The Mazda is not indicating. Come on, people. It's a junction. Nothing to my right. So it's the Sunday driving no indicator brigade today. Got another roundabout up ahead, so we'll see who else indicates. Into a 50 zone. Let's get the speed up because we're going up this hill. No U-turns on this road, thank you very much. If you want to do a U-turn, you go to the roundabout at the top, all the way around and back down again. So we've got chevrons in the road, dividing the road. Still a 50 zone. We've got a men at work sign. Up to the roundabout, I want to take the 4th exit off I want actually, so I'll indicate right. I'll slip into the right hand lane. Top marks if you spy anyone not indicating. On we go. That Mazda went left, didn't indicate off. All the way around. I want to indicate off the roundabout, into my lane, check my mirrors. Volkswagen indicated, you are cool. Top marks from me. Another roundabout, so many roundabouts. Now, I'm going off the first exit, so I will indicate off. And now the Volkswagen has forgotten to indicate. Oh, you let the side down, chap. Pelican crossing, green lights. Nearly at the end of my destination. You're not coming into the supermarket with me, though. One more roundabout ahead. I'm coming off at this roundabout, so I'll indicate to the left. So it looks like the Volkswagen's going all the way around, but he's not indicating. Gosh, he was good for a moment. Should be indicating right. Didn't indicate off either. I despair. If you're watching this video, I hope you're learning about indicators. You've got to let other people know what your intentions are. What are you doing? Anyway, we're into a supermarket zone, and it's just a case of finding a spot. So thanks for watching, bearing with. Hopefully you picked some snippets up from that. I will say bye for now and see you in another video. Drive with care.